Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into IBC Mortgage account online. If you want to manage and access your IBC Mortgage, home loans, FHA loans, VA loans, jumbo loans, construction loans, and much more, you can easily log in and manage your account online. In order to access your IBC Mortgage, you'll first need to visit their official website. Open up a web browser of your preference and then go to the URL box and type in ibc.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official website for IBC Bank. Once you end up in the main homepage, you will then find the sign in option popping up on the left hand side menu. Once you get to the official website for IBC Bank, go ahead and get to the sign in area on the left hand side menu. Enter your login ID associated with your online banking account in the text box and click on the sign in button. You will then be prompted to enter your password for your account. Type in your correct password in the tab, and if you don't remember your password for your online banking account, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. If you are new to IBC Bank, you can easily register for a new account by clicking on I'm a new user and following the prompts. After filling in both of your credentials, that is your email and password correct, you can click on the submit button, which will then log you into your online banking account for IBC. Once you're signed in, you can get to the mortgage tab and visit and access your IBC mortgage account online. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.